In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your mobile devices, whether they're Android or iOS, within Google Workspace. This is a crucial skill for anyone in charge of ensuring that a business's mobile technology is seamlessly integrated with its digital infrastructure. By the end of this video, you should feel confident navigating these settings. Let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is head over to Google Workspace. This is your portal to accessing all administrative capabilities for your organization's digital environment. Think of it as the control room, where you have oversight over all things Google related for work. Once you are on the Google Workspace page, you'll want to locate and click on the admin console. This is the hub where you'll carry out all the administrative operations. Make sure to use your business email to log in. After entering your credentials, go ahead and make sure you click next or hit the sign in button. Now that we're inside the admin console, let's move forward. Direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you'll find the Google Apps menu. It's basically a gateway to all your policy settings, and once you click this menu, you'll see various Google applications you can manage. Look for and select the admin icon. This will guide you directly back to the main section of the admin console, where we can begin targeting mobile devices specifically. Clicking on this icon fills your screen with myriad administrative options. Next, we need to hone in on devices, so locate this in the console menu. Clicking it sets you on the path to specifically manage mobile technologies. The next step is to find and choose mobile and endpoints. This section lets you direct your attention singularly on mobile devices, an essential focus for our topic today. Click again on devices. Here, you can perform essential functions such as signing out devices and even deleting them if necessary. This feature becomes incredibly vital if a device becomes compromised or is no longer in use by your business, ensuring data security and management are always at the forefront. And there you have it. You've navigated the path from Google Workspace to where you can actively manage your organization's mobile devices. Should you need to perform actions like signing out, removing, or overseeing devices more intricately, you're now in the perfect place to do so. Hopefully this tutorial has equipped you with the skills needed to effectively manage devices within Google Workspace. Whether tweaking settings or securing your data, I hope this walkthrough makes the process straightforward and stress-free. Thanks for watching and see you in our next session.